Welcome to KB Technologies Managed IT, your trusted partner in managed IT services near Coral Springs, Florida. Let's explore how we secure and streamline businesses. As one of the leading cybersecurity companies in the area, we are dedicated to protecting your digital landscape from emerging threats. Our managed IT services are tailored to meet the unique needs of your business, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Revolutionize your communication with our VoIP solutions, designed for clarity and consistency in your business communications. Secure your premises with state-of-the-art access control systems from KB Technologies Managed IT, where safety meets technology. Discover how managed IT services can transform your operations, whether you're a small startup or a large corporation. Count on KB Technologies Managed IT for round-the-clock IT support that keeps your systems running smoothly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. As one of the top IT companies in the region, we pride ourselves on delivering cutting-edge solutions that drive business growth. Choose us for managed IT that combines expertise, innovation, and customer service to deliver results you can trust. Thank you for watching. Ready to enhance your IT infrastructure? Visit our website or contact us today to join the many businesses thriving with KB Technologies Managed IT.